What if I told you the next $1 million business probably isn't a clothing brand? It isn't dropshipping, and it's definitely not another copy-paste AI app. Instead, it's hiding inside industries that most people completely ignore. Today, we're breaking down entrepreneur Dan Martell's 8 favorite business models that are exploding right now. Some can be started with almost no money. Some generate profit margins as high as 90%, and one of them could completely replace traditional software businesses over the next few years. But here's the catch. These aren't get-rich-quick ideas. They're real businesses solving expensive problems. So let's dive in. Business number 1, Chat Sales Agency. Imagine this. A creator has 500,000 followers. Thousands of people message them every week asking, "How do I buy? What program should I join? Can someone help me?" Most creators never answer. That's millions of dollars sitting inside unread DMs. Sales Agency fixes that. Instead of cold calling strangers, your team manages Instagram DMs, Facebook messages, WhatsApp, or website live chat, and turns conversations into paying customers. The crazy part? No hard selling, just helping people make decisions. Businesses love this because every extra sale feels like free money. If you know customer service and communication, this is one of the easiest service businesses to start. Business number 2, Personal Brand Agency. Here's something most people don't realize. Being famous online is a full-time job. Creators need editors, thumbnail designers, content strategists, writers, SEO experts, brand managers. The list never ends. That's why personal brand agencies are booming. Instead of helping random companies, you help creators become even bigger. And here's the best part. Many agencies now charge based on performance. If your work grows the creator's income, you grow with that. It's a win-win. In the creator economy, attention is the new currency. And people who know how to grow attention will always be in demand. Business number 3, Ghostwriting Agency. Most successful founders have incredible ideas, but they don't have time to write. That's where ghostwriters come in. A ghostwriter doesn't just write. They capture someone's personality, their tone, their stories, their experiences, whether it's LinkedIn posts, Twitter threads, newsletters, or even an entire book. People happily pay thousands of dollars to save time. The secret? Nobody wants generic AI content anymore. They want authentic stories. If you can combine AI with human editing, you're already ahead of most competitors. Business number 4, Virtual Assistant Placement. Let's be honest. Most business owners waste hours every week answering emails, scheduling meetings, updating spreadsheets, tasks someone else could easily handle. Virtual assistants solve that problem. Companies don't want to spend weeks hiring, so agencies recruit, train, and match remote assistants with businesses. Think of it like recruiting, but for productivity. As remote work keeps growing, the demand for skilled virtual assistants is only getting bigger. Business number 5, Virtual Reality Training Agency. This one sounds futuristic, but it's already happening. Imagine training a firefighter, a surgeon, or an oil rig worker. Making one mistake in real life could cost lives. VR allows companies to simulate dangerous situations without any real risk. Employees learn faster, companies save money, and accidents decrease. Large corporations are investing millions into immersive training. It's a specialized business, but one with enormous opportunity. Business 6, Gamified Learning Platform. Here's a simple truth. People hate boring training videos. That's why most employees click through compliance courses without learning anything. Now imagine turning training into a game. Levels, points, leaderboards, rewards. Suddenly, people actually want to finish it. Companies with high employee turnover, like retail, restaurants, healthcare, and logistics, need workers trained quickly. Gamified learning keeps employees engaged, and businesses love better results. Business number 7, AI Automation Agency. If there's one business almost everyone is talking about, it's this one. AI automation. Businesses are drowning in repetitive work. Invoices, emails, customer support, scheduling, reporting, lead qualification. Instead of hiring more employees, companies now ask, can AI do this? An AI automation agency builds systems that connect tools together. For example, a customer fills out a form, AI qualifies the lead, books the meeting, writes follow-up emails, and updates the CRM. Without human involvement, businesses save thousands every month. That's why they'll gladly pay someone who can build these systems. The opportunity isn't replacing humans, it's removing repetitive work. Business number 8. AI-first SaaS. Finally, the biggest opportunity on this list. Most software companies simply sell tools, but AI-first SaaS sells outcomes. Instead of giving accountants software, give them faster tax preparation. Instead of giving lawyers software, help them review contracts in minutes. Instead of helping doctors organize notes, automatically generate patient summaries. The future isn't software as a service, it's success as a service. Customers don't care about dashboards, they care about results. That's why niche AI products solving one painful problem can become incredibly profitable, especially in industries most people ignore. Final thoughts. Now here's the biggest lesson from Dan Martell. None of these businesses became valuable because they're trendy. They became valuable because they solve expensive problems. Businesses pay for one thing: results. If you help someone make more money, save more time, or reduce costly mistakes, you'll never struggle to find customers. And remember, you don't need to build the next billion-dollar startup tomorrow. Pick one model, master one skill, get your first client, then improve every single month. That's exactly how real businesses are built. So, which one would you start? A chat sales agency, an AI automation agency, or maybe an AI-first SaaS? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe for more business ideas, AI opportunities, and wealth-building strategies, because the next big opportunity usually looks boring until it makes someone incredibly rich.